Welcome to GooeyTrade and the MatchTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at basic graphics on MatchTrader. Click the Expand button to view a chart in full screen mode. Clicking the pencil icon will reveal all the graphic tools available. The most important, of course, is the horizontal line. Click on the line, click anywhere on the chart, and drag the line to the appropriate level. You may change the color and the line thickness. You may drag the line up and down as required, for example when you change time frames for more precision. You may add as many lines to mark support and resistance as you require. You may delete any graphic object by selecting it and clicking the X. Vertical lines function in the same way. The channel is also available for you to track trending markets more precisely. Drag the channel along the trend you wish to follow. Use the endpoints to modify the angle, and use the midpoint to delineate the upper and lower trend lines. Of course, you may change the color and the thickness. Trend lines also work in the same way. You may move the lines and change the angles with the endpoints. The final graphic tool is the Fibonacci retracement, which can be set for either bullish or bearish markets by joining the swing highs and swing lows. You may plot key points of support and resistance this way, and we have a separate video on trading with Fibonacci retracements. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade MatchTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on MatchTrader.